Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Almost everyone is talking about AI nowadays, and it's not surprising. AI is a game changer, and having it in your arsenal can open up so many opportunities. But here's the thing, most people don't realize they can actually make money with AI in ways they never imagined. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today. InfinityBox AI. When I first heard about InfinityBox AI, I was skeptical. There are so many AI tools out there that claim to be the next big thing, but this one caught my attention because it offers something truly unique. A full white-label AI business. That means you can launch your very own AI platform without needing to code, design, or even promote it. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I decided to dig deeper and see if it really delivers on its promises. InfinityBox AI is built for anyone who wants to tap into the massive demand for AI tools. Millions of people are constantly searching for the best AI solutions. And with this platform, you can create your own AI business in just minutes. All you have to do is connect your domain, or use a free subdomain they provide, pick your colors, and boom, you've got a fully functional AI app ready to go. And we're not talking about some basic AI tool here. InfinityBox AI comes with over 300 features that are designed to impress customers and keep them coming back. One thing that really stood out to me is how effortless it is to start making money with this platform. You can charge people monthly for access, and the best part? You don't even have to promote it yourself. InfinityBox AI has a customer generator feature that brings in paying customers automatically. I know it sounds crazy, but they actually show proof of getting 52 new customers in a single day, each paying $29 per month. Imagine having that kind of passive income rolling in without lifting a finger. Another thing I love about InfinityBox AI is its versatility. You can create AI businesses in any niche you want, whether it's fitness, marketing, finance, or even something super niche specific. And it works no matter where you are in the world. You don't need any technical experience, and there's no need to invest thousands of dollars up front. All you need is an internet connection, and you're good to go. Getting started is incredibly simple. You just log into the cloud-based app, connect your domain or pick one of their subdomains, and customize the appearance to match your branding. After that, InfinityBox AI does all the heavy lifting for you, bringing in customers and handling the back-end operations. The team behind InfinityBox AI claims that their platform is 9 times better than popular AI tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and Midjourney combined. That's a bold statement. But when you look at what the platform offers, it's easy to see why they say that. With so many AI features packed into one solution, it gives users a lot more value compared to having to subscribe to multiple different services. You might be wondering how much this all costs. Well, the creators have priced it at a fraction of what you'd expect to pay for a tool of this caliber. They say it's less than the price of a cheap dinner, and that's just to cover the server costs. However, there's a catch. They're limiting the number of licenses available, and once they hit that limit, the price is expected to jump to $997 per month. So if you're considering it, acting fast is definitely a good idea. One of the things that really reassured me about InfinityBox AI is their confidence in their product. They offer a guarantee where if you don't make money using the platform, they'll give you a full refund and let you keep the software. That kind of offer is rare and shows they truly believe in what they've built. If you're someone looking to start a side hustle, whether you're an affiliate marketer, product creator, e-commerce store owner, or even a coach, InfinityBox AI could be the perfect solution for you. It takes away all the hard work and technical hurdles and lets you focus on growing your business. So if you're ready to take advantage of the AI boom and create your own AI business, InfinityBox AI might just be the easiest way to do it. Click the link below to check it out and see for yourself what it can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.